Albany, it was cloudy and 83. And in New York City, it was partly sunny and 93. The heat index was 96. Elsewhere across the region, in Concord, it was cloudy and 89. National Weather Service in Burlington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Clinton County in northern New York, northeastern Essex County in northern New York, Lamoille County in northwestern Vermont, southern Grand Isle County in northwestern Vermont, northern Chittenden County in northwestern Vermont, southwestern Franklin County in northwestern Vermont until 2 p.m. At 12:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Osable Point, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include South Burlington, Colchester Essex Junction, Plattsburgh International Airport, Burlington International Airport, Williston, Winooski, Peru, Grand Isle, Beekmantown, Jericho, Stowe, Fairfax, Underhill, Westford, Morrisville, South Hero, Johnson, Eden, and Fletcher. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. If on or near Lake Champlain, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught in the water in a thunderstorm. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
The current time is 1:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.